to the most interactive and great class. So here we go. So do you know what are plants? Do you know what are plants or their function? Anything? Okay, great. So plants are basically living things that make their own food. Who make your food? Our mama and our maids. But plants make their food by their own self. Okay, they have different parts that perform specific functions. Like we have a hand, we have eyes, we have lips. They all have different tasks to do. Our hands are used for the touch or doing some work. Similarly, plants have these parts. First one we have is the roots. Okay, then stem, then leaves, flowers, fruits. Like this. Here we go. We have in this slide here is a flower. See the flower here. This is the bud. These are the roots of the flower. This is the stem. See here, the stem. This is the fruit. This is the fruit, and this is the leaf. The green part is what? Leaf. We have these parts of the flowers basically. Okay, plants. Sorry. So here we go. The colorful part. The colorful part is what? Flower. The colorful part, flower. That green part is what? Stem. That green part is what? Stem. Then we have this green part, leaf. What? Leaf. Then these parts, these all are known as roots. Flower, stem, leaf, roots. Flower, stem, leaf, roots. Now, what are roots? Roots grow always under the ground. See here, these roots are under the ground. Now, here is the ground, and these are the roots. These are underground. Then they anchor the plant firmly in the soil. They hold. See here, they are holding the plants in the soil. They are holding through roots like this. The plant is standing inside the soil. They are helping the plant to anchor or standing in the soil. Okay, they absorb water and minerals from the soil for the food of the plant. As I have told you, that plants make their food by their own self, by helping the roots help them. Okay, some roots store food like carrots and the beets, like the roots of the carrot plants and the beets. Okay, they store their food as well. But for other plants, they only absorb nutrients and water from the soil. Okay, then we have this stem. See here, the stem. This is a stem. This is a what? Stem. Stem supports the plant and holds it upright. Like stem is helping the plant to stand straight. Okay, to carry their weight. It always also carries the water and the nutrients, just like the roots. Roots carry the water and the nutrients from the soil, but stem carries water and nutrients from the roots to leaves and the flower. It works like a communication stem. Okay, it takes nutrients and water from the roots and give it to the leaves and the flower. Here it takes this takes food and nutrients from the roots and give it to the flower and leaf. Okay, it also transports food made in leaves to other parts of the plant. Now when there is a leaf food in the leaves, these help them to move different parts of the plant so they can eat their food and do their work. Now we have leaves, the green part. This is known as the kitchen of the plant. Kitchen of the plant. Do you know the kitchen? Where the human beings make a food. So leaves are the kitchen. They prepare food through photosynthesis. Do you know the photosynthesis? The process in which we use sunlight and water and carbon dioxide, okay, to make the food, for the leaves. Leaves here. These are the parts of the plant, okay. We can make food through sunlight. Sunlight comes here and make a food for the plant. We will study inshallah in the next parts that what is photosynthesis, okay. It's a detailed topic. So here we go. The next one we have the flowers, the color part here. This is the flower, the color part. This flower, the pink one. Flower is what? Flowers are the most beautiful parts of the plant. Do you like flowers? Great, I also like flowers. They help the plant in the reproduction. Pollination, flower change into the fruits. The pollination is the process in which the flower reproduce, make its copy, make the new one. Reproduction, production again, okay, the reproduction. So we will just like a photosynthesis, this is also the bigger one topic, so we will discuss in the next class inshallah. Okay, flowers make the next food, next plant for the flowers, like make its own copy. Then we have the fruits. Fruits always grow on the flowers. After pollination, they protect the seeds inside. When fruits fall or are eaten, seeds spread and grow into the new plants. Have you ever tested that when we have to grow the new plant, so we always borrow the fruit or seed into the soil, and the new one will come from the soil. The new one will grow. This what fruit and fruit seeds are doing, okay. The fruit of any plant. These are the parts of a plant you have to label. Where? What is this? It's a flower? No, it's a leaf. It's a fruit. It's a root. It's a stem. Yes, it's a flower. It's a flower. Then what is this? This is a fruit. This is a what? Fruit. Then what about this? This is a root. This is a root. Then this leaf. This is what? Leaf. Then the strong part, stem, transportation part, which gives the food to the other parts of the plant from the roots. Match these now. Can you do? Let's go. These are what? Fruit? No, these are roots. This is what? Flower. Very good. This is what? Fruit. This is what? Leaf. And this is what? Stem. Very good. So each part of the plant has a special job, just like our body parts. These are the body parts of what? Plant. The leaf, the root, the stem, the flowers. Okay, so keep these things in your mind. Okay, bye bye. Then let's restart the class again. Bye bye. See you next time.